Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Discover for your new credit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Discover website. Locate the credit cards section on the home page. Choose the credit card that best fits your needs. Click on the Apply Now button associated with your selected card. You will be directed to a new application page. Fill in your personal information, including your name and address. Enter your email address for account updates and verification. Provide your social security number for identity verification. Input your annual income to help assess your creditworthiness. Review your information for accuracy before proceeding. Submit your application by clicking the appropriate button at the bottom. You may receive instant approval or a notice that your application is under review. If approved, follow the instructions given to create your account. Choose a username and password for your online access. Complete any additional security information required to protect your account. Once your account is set up, log in to explore your new card benefits. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to manage payments and monitor transactions. Check your email for confirmation of your credit card application status. Wait for your physical card to arrive by mail, typically within a week. Once you receive your card, activate it online or by phone as instructed. Congratulations, you are now registered with Discover and ready to use your new credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.